third day out here in Spain. My sister, right here, thought she knew how to get to the mall like a strip, kind of like in Beverly Hills or like Atlantic Station, how they have like the strip of stores. And I'm going to show you where we ended up at. Apartments. Not the mall. So I'm on the GPS and try to find the NYX and the Sephora, and I was so busy yesterday because this is not going to work. And she says nothing. She has nothing to say. What are you going to tell the people?
Beautiful out here.
Nothing. So I'm going to turn off my camera and turn on my GPS and try to find out how to get to where we need to get to. So we were not able to walk to the store. It took us too long, so we called a taxi. But this is the NYX in Barcelona. Oh man, I'm so excited. Sandra Deluxe! Oh my god! I love her! Ah! Oh my god! Hola. Look at all the shadows. Ooh, makeup Shayla and Sandra again. Oh. So cool. Leaving the NYX store in Spain. This is so cool because I seen Makeup Shayla and I seen Sandra Deluxe. About to cross the street and head on over to go to Zara.
L3, the green line.
It's a little nippy out here. Zara is huge. Oh man, it's the big Zara.
What we gonna put these pants on to? To be the laughing stock in America? Honest to God.
I thought it was a jean jacket.
We will come to America and they will ask us, what do we got going on? Honestly, I can explain myself.
Yeah, don't get the pants. You know, we're gonna pass. That's a no. Now these are kind of cute.
Honestly.
need to get the lighting on that one. Oh, this one. Oh, this one. I gotta get the lighting for this one. Let me see. Looks like a strappy. Is it cute? What do you think? Why do you got it? You like this one? Oh, only $10. Socks included? Does it come with the socks? Or no? You get the socks too? Oh. Not bad. You get the socks, a few pair of socks too. Oh, it's only €10. Not bad. But I think it's too big. Let me see. Yeah, it's too big. I need a smaller size. It's too big. They're kind of cute though. No, too big. I think they got my size. Nope, they only got one left.